Hi Holger, I will describe you this our new pixel case, okay? So first I want to tell that this is minimum dimensions that we can use, okay? So this is start point, okay? So look, length of our device would be 1779, okay? Uh, width width of our device, this is minimum width. I will show you next why. Look, 41.8, okay? Uh, height of our case, 25.5. This is minimum, yes, that we can use. Look from this side, what position of holes and slots, yes? This is slot for reset button, this is 1, 2 slots for LED, and this is slot and place for antenna, yes? It would be like this from this side, and 4 screws, okay? Let's I will make of course I will put your logo, all signs in this tube. This is now for discussion, okay? So look what we have inside. Yes, we have from lower side we have PCB with screw terminal, yes. uh, for example, this is PCB, yes, and this is very important dimension, yes, maximum height of components that located on this PCB, okay? So look, this dimension according to that you wrote me, yes, according to this, yes, according to this your dimension, yes. I please also look if it is correctly, okay, if it is correct. So look, this 10.7, okay? So according to this, yes, I put a second upper PCB according to this component, yes. I just add gap from this surface to this surface 1 millimeter and put upper PCB, okay? It is like this now. I will I will add here a stopping surface, okay? This is no problem. From this side we have flat position of screw terminal, yes. Look inside, like again, let's go back to bottom cap. Look, why you can ask me why hole and position for antenna not in center of bottom cap. It's not in center because this outer actually deepening for nut will interference with this slot of reset button. So I will move on free space this deepening and of course all this position of antenna. So that's why to avoid interference with this slot, yes, this is not center position now. Let's go next. As you can see inside we have free space for antenna frame, free space between PCB boards, lower and upper PCB boards, okay? And that's it, and just holes for LED and reset button, yes. Look, this holes in this slot I take from USB type C case, okay, from this dimension. So look, here we had previous, yes, 2.2 diameter LED, holes for LED, and width of slot for reset button 4.3, okay, and height 2.5, okay. So this dimension dimension of these slots in our iPixel case I take from this actually, yes, from previous project, yes, because I think everything fine here, okay. So actually also, yes, here we have 2.2 millimeter diameter and same outer dimension of slot for reset button, okay. Actually this is what I want to tell you, yes. Also I checked, look please, maybe like this, maybe you remember in this sketch I asked you this dimension, yes. of position of reset button and LED. And I put in design, in assembly, look, I put these components according to dimension, yes, 3.6, and just near this I made holes, okay. From this side you can see, also please look, from this side all position according to dimensions, okay, here and here. Also look, this one dimension, again, let's please, okay, no problem, I will show you. This dimension not very correct, 9, this is not between LED, center of LED and center of reset button. 9, this is from beginning of PCB board until center of reset button, okay. So actually this is dimension right, but not from LED. It started from this point, this end of this line of this surface of PCB board, okay. Actually, I forgot that I have 2D drawing, yes, digital 2D drawing of this PCB board. So I take measures from here also, okay. So here everything fine. Okay, Holger, this is all that we have. This is actually this is prototype, but this is prototype. Based on it, I very fast can make ready for production design, okay. For now I want to tell you very important thing. Yes, as for me we can little optimize this design. What we can make, look please, look, we have this width 41.9, yes, because we need, yes, here would be rails, yes, here would be rails, and we have extrusion for screw. That's why we have this width. So my suggestion, look please, we can make our height of our case little bigger, yes. So for example, extrusions for screws would be here, okay. So inner wall, inner surface of wall of case of tube would be something here, okay. So my suggestion, another suggestion, yes, we can increase our height. It would be now it's 25.5, yes, it would be approximately maybe 32 or 33, but our width of our device would be also smaller. It would be 35 or 33 also. So, and also look, in this case, if we will have more height of our device, yes, we can put antenna in center position, okay, and also we will have more space for LED holes. Maybe I can prepare funnels for it, okay, to more open, to make these holes more open, okay. That's it, Holger. Actually this is design can be ready for production for now with these outer dimensions, yes. But my suggestion, maybe we can make some optimization. Maybe I can prepare for you a second version, yes, of this case with more height, yes, and with more smaller widths. And we can choose what more attractive, what more suitable for you, okay. This is all. Thank you, Holger. Look please, again I will show you this, yes, our device would be like this from this side. Okay, Holger, thank you, bye.